have some other stuff that I need to fix, such as this snowblower here. The handle broke. You know, for the speeds of the drive. So I'm gonna have to fabricate something for that to work. In addition to that, the snowshoes on this Trac drive is Dunsky. So Scott Keller told me, hey, you need to get some snowshoes, skid shoes for that. And I'm like, I'm not going to get skid shoes for it. And I thought to myself, you know what? They're only like $10, you know? And if I can get more money for it, it might be worth it. So I got these skid shoes, brand new, from ProPartsDirect.net. So I'm going to put these on another snow blower in the back that's in better shape than this one, or worth more money, you know, and then put those on these, you know. That way at least this would have some better snowshoes, because these are like non-existent, you know. I'm going to put these in the back. So this one over here is my Murray Brute. You guys remember this one that I just did a little while ago? This one's a much nicer snowblower. So I'm going to, and this is red too, so I wouldn't have to do any kind of, you know, painting or anything. I'll just paint that one the color of the Trac drive, you know. You know, these aren't great either, but these are surely better than the ones on the Trac drive right now. So I'll remove these, put these brand new ones on, right? And then I'll have these for the Trac drive. That's what I'll do. These are very easy to remove, 1/2-inch bolts. Now, why did they put the sticker on here? I don't know, I'm going to spend time trying to get that damn sticker off, you know? Anyway. Houston, we have a problem. Number one, I knew it. Sticker won't come off, so it looks like crap now, you know? I don't know how I'm going to get that off. I don't know why they stick stickers like that. Why don't you stick it on the back? You know what I mean? Why stick it on the front? Now it's nice and visible to for everybody, and the new owner of these gets pissed off because there's an ugly sticker stuck in the front. Stick it in the back, damn it! Jesus. And that's right, it doesn't fit. It's too far apart. Those red shoes don't fit on those. They don't fit on that. I'm gonna try this. That one might work. Not only does that look ridiculous, but while it fits, the question is, do these fit the Trac drive? I don't think they will, because that Trac drive is similar to that size and that size, which means it probably won't fit. So I'm going to try it out. As you can see, they don't fit. See? Doesn't line up at all. Too big. Gonna have to buy new skid shoes for this little one. Just put that back and jot that down as a learning experience about how not all skid shoes fit the same ones. Bigger ones fit different manufacturers, the little ones fit other manufacturers, so that was just a waste of time other than the learning experience. Anyway, I gotta go inside and watch the new episode of Game of Thrones, so I'll get started on that tractor later. Getting back to the snowblower, instead of fabricating something, I just welded it. Put some new bolts in. But it's new. I'm getting good at welding.
Hey guys, support my channel, buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next project. Have a great day.